Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will look at an amazing VS Code extension called QuickType. It is a tool for VS Code that helps developers quickly convert JSON data into classes for C++, C#, TypeScript, and more. When handling APIs or large JSON data, you often need to define classes or interfaces that match the data structure. This extension automates that process, saving you from writing the code manually. To install this extension, open Visual Studio Code. Then, go to the Extensions view, search for QuickType in the search bar, and click Install. Now, I'll convert this sample of JSON code into TypeScript. Select the entire JSON block and open the command palette. Type > and click Paste JSON as code. Then, a drop-down will appear, asking you to select the language in which you want to convert the code. I'll choose TypeScript and hit Enter. That's it. Now we have a TypeScript class that perfectly matches the structure of our JSON. Let's try it with another example. Again, I'll select the entire JSON block, open the command palette, type > click Paste JSON as code, choose a language, and press Enter. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can convert your JSON into well-structured classes for your projects. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, visit our channel and remember to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you can never miss a video.